In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your competitors' Google Ads using the Google Ads Spy tool. If you're looking to understand your competition and craft better advertising strategies, this guide will show you how to do it in just 5 minutes. First, we're going to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. It's your portal to discovering how you can attract more customers and sell more products using online advertising. Visiting the homepage is your initial step towards leveraging one of the most powerful digital marketing tools available today. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. If you already have an account, simply use your credentials to access your dashboard. If not, you might need to create an account, which is a straightforward process. Signing in will take you to the Google Ads home, which is a central hub for managing all aspects of your campaigns. Next, look for the Tools option. It's located in the top menu bar and provides access to a variety of essential features for campaign optimization. With Tools open, your next step is to find the Planning section. Clicking on this will open up a list of options designed to help you plan and prepare your advertising strategies more effectively. Under the Planning section, you'll see the Keyword Planner. This is the real gem of the operation when it comes to spying on competition. Keyword Planner offers insights into which keywords your competitors are targeting, how much traffic they're driving, and how competitive specific keywords are. By tapping into this tool, you can uncover strategic insights that can inform your own advertising tactics. With access to the Keyword Planner, enter keywords relevant to your industry or specific products you're focused on. This helps to reveal competitor strategies and allows you to gather data on search volumes and competition levels. An additional tip is to use variations and synonyms of your main keyword, which can yield even broader insights into how your competitors are advertising. Finally, take the insights you've gathered from the Keyword Planner and begin crafting your own Google Ads campaigns. Understanding how your competitors are positioning themselves can provide a roadmap for your own advertising efforts, allowing you to fine-tune your strategies and eventually outperform them in online visibility and engagement. Remember, the key to a successful advertising strategy is not only about what you're doing right, but understanding what your competitors are doing and how you can do it better. With these insights gathered directly through the Google Ads platform, you'll be well on your way to creating more effective campaigns that can drive substantial results for your business. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can harness the power of Google Ads tools to outsmart your competition and enhance your marketing efforts.